It's that time again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Burt unboxing video. As always, I am your host, Mark, and today we're going to be getting into some Blacoh. Today we're going to be reviewing an SPS10-2 spill stop. Let's get to it. Blacoh Fluid Control provides a wide range of industrial products for pumping and fluid processing systems, from pulsation dampeners that reach pressures up to 15,000 psi to diaphragm seals and spill containment units that prevent leaks and system failures. The SPILLSTOP is compatible with all air-operated diaphragm pumps from 1/4 inch to 4 inch. It attaches directly to the air-operated diaphragm pump exhaust. It's fully pneumatic, no batteries or electronics required. The optional warning alarms and backup pump switchovers are available.
When we introduce water into the primary pump's air exhaust, approximately 1.5 cups of liquid enters the spill stop.
Right here we have your primary pump control. This is your shutoff that leads directly to the pump. Here's the hosing, which you can cut to any size or length, and this will lead directly to the air actuator. This is the air regulator. The air regulator has the air control, air inlet, outlet, and the air gauge. And then we have your fluid inlet and your fluid outlet, which leads to the reclassifier. Now we move over to the cutaway. As you can see on the inside is a ball. This ball right here goes up and down as fluid enters into the body. When fluid is entering into the body in the event of a failure, this ball will rise to the top, shutting off your system. Once you're back running, you can go ahead and open up this drain valve, which lets out the fluid to allow the ball to float back to the bottom and restarting your process. The fully pneumatic spill stop system safely captures leaked product and automatically shuts down failed pumps to eliminate costly product loss and prevent hazardous spills. Optional warning alarms and backup pump switchovers further minimize system downtime for maximum productivity. The spill stop also comes with a wide range of chemically resistant body materials. Blacoh's products cover chemical process, water treatment, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, gas, oil, and petrochemical, and many more. And there you have it, everybody. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope you found it informative. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the rest of our unboxing series. And for more information on Blacoh, please feel free to visit us at burtprocess.com. And I will see you on the next unboxing video.